Sentence reading fluency. We will read this line by line. I will read first and then you will read after me after you see the sign. The cat is on a mat. The rat is in the hat. The cat near the lab. The man gap in the cab. Is that is sad. That is mad with the pad. The tag is in the bag. The dogs wag on the rag. The ham is in the dam. The ram eats the yam. The can is near the fan. The man sat near the pan. The cap is on the map. A tap fell on his lap. The bar is in the car. The jar is far from the car. Well done. See ya. Bye.